Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where we are in a 2017 Premier 250 Grand Majestic Tritoon. This pontoon just came in on trade. It is extremely clean, it's water ready, and I will tell you just why it's called the Grand Majestic. First of all, it's got these beautiful real wood cockpit tables. There's a round one, and this one's called the Slim. You can exchange them for the slim one in the front or the round one over here, or you can take them out entirely and stow them away when you're not ready to use them. And here at the aft, we have a party bar. You've got a little wine cooler right there. You have your adjustable stereo system. You've got potable water that comes out of this faucet here and drains itself out, and you've even got a bottle organizer. So if you would love a spot to pull out the charcuterie board, host some people, entertain on the lake, this is an awesome setup to do that. There's even a little ice bucket right here to keep your drinks cool all evening long. There's a changing booth right here. When you flip that up, you have a nice environment to have a porta potty. You could put your toilet paper there and your paper towel roll there and stow it away, or just use this as a nice place to change. It's got a mirror there, and it just flips right down into a sun pad. And this vinyl, you guys, is so unbelievably comfortable. If you want to extend your boating season beyond the summertime and you're looking for something that can keep you cozy, curl up with a blanket and sit on this plush cushions here. It is unlike any pontoon that I've ever seen come in on trade. It is so comfortable. It's called the Ultra Fabrics Furniture, but the way that they made this foam for 2017 is so comfortable. You have to come and check it out. These are the easy hinge seats, so they pop all the way open to give you good access to your storage. Self-bailing plastic bins, so nothing's getting moldy or nasty being stored away under there. It's all draining out the side of the boat. Tip them back in, and we've got in-floor storage. We have blue accent lights with our marine audio speakers. This is seagrass flooring, no carpet in here. And we have this beautiful accent vinyl here too. You've got kind of the tweed look on the side of the cushions. So just a really rich look. And here at the helm, you've got the Beacon 2 dash. So you have these two touch screens with digital gauges. You can see everything that you're doing. And there's also a camera on the back of the boat. So when you're towing people on the water in Minnesota, you legally must have a spotter posted, a rear view mirror, or a camera. And this one has the camera to keep you compliant on the waterway. We've got an awesome JL audio subwoofer here for added sound on board, and a hidden trash bin in the front, as well as co-captain side right here. Beautiful helm chair. We've got a little storage bag underneath, custom fits to that slide-on chair right there. And then we have digital throttle shifting. This is powered by a Mercury 250 outboard motor, and you've even got a cooled cup holder for the captain there. Room for 15 people on board, and this is ready to go today at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota. Come on board, check it out. We've got a bow filler cushion that you can take in and out here. It matches flush with the rest of the seating, but make that sucker get out of here if you're ready to have some more leg room on board. We will see you in Nisswa for your next dream boat.